The laziest way to make money online with Canva templates is by creating and selling Instagram templates. In this video, I'll show you the entire process from creating the templates to turning them into a digital product and then marketing and selling them on Etsy, other marketplaces, and your own website. Let's go. So for the step one, we're gonna need to create the actual product template. Open up Canva, click on create, and then search Instagram. As you do that, you're gonna have a few options, but click on Instagram post square. Then go to the design tab and search for a beige Instagram post. So just search beige and actually look for some of these templates. But if you don't have a Canva Pro, then choose the ones which are not for the Pro version and that you can use for free. So actually, I'm gonna be going with this one, and I'm actually going to add a few more pages and select some other templates as well. So this will be the backbone, the skeleton of our templates. Of course, we're gonna have to do customizations. No one is going to buy just straight up templates from Canva. We actually want to put input, we want to customize it, and we want to make it custom. So this is all of the list that I'm actually going to be putting in our mockup. Step number 2, editing the templates. Adjust the design to match your chosen theme. Obviously, I was looking for beige colors, okay? So I kind of wanted to match all of these templates, all of these images to be the same. And the best part is that obviously these templates are really good for somebody who's going to buy them for their Instagram page to have the same style. That's why people are buying these templates in the first place. So for example, they want to post on their Instagram, but they don't want to be creating new pages, new designs all the time. So they just buy these templates, right? They upload their own images, they change the text, and they upload it on their Instagram pages. That's why there's so much demand on Etsy and other marketplaces, as I showed you at the beginning of this video. With that in mind, also, you can introduce some colors like what I'm doing here right now, but to be honest, you kind of want to have like universal style, so the same colors across the whole template. That is ideal. So once that's done, as you can see, I have a lot of empty frames. So these are placeholders where people will put their images. But I want to put something as a sample, so whoever is buying it, they can replace it with their own pictures, but it will look a lot more complete and it will look like a final product. So I'm searching for beige dressed women on Canva, and as you can see, I'm just placing some images so it looks really good. It looks like a complete Instagram post. Whoever is buying it, they will be able to just delete those images or replace them. So here's how the full template page looks like. With that in mind, we're moving to step number 3, export the product files. Since this is not for printing, you can download it as a PNG, JPG, or PDF standard. Moving on to step number 4, create listing thumbnails, mockups, preview page, however we want to call it. When you go to Etsy and search for Instagram templates, as you can see, people are promoting it in a really professional way. So they have a page which shows the templates. They have a page which shows how it works, how you can actually use the template and stuff like that. So I want to create something similar on here. So actually start a new document and start creating design just like this. What I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to be creating not only the mockup of how it looks, but also the full instructions, also explanations and visuals as to how this will look on a phone, okay? With that in mind, I want people who are looking to buy these Instagram templates to be sure that this is going to look great on their Instagram page. So next, I'm going to be creating an what's included page. For now, I'm just placing the frames, but once that's done, I'm also going to be obviously placing the images as well from the template itself. So as you can see, one PDF file, link to 10 Instagram template posts, fully customizable, easy to change text, format, font size, color, style, move or remove items and stuff like that. Put that on there as well. Now, this is really important to actually put some phone screenshots as well, because the reality is this is Instagram post. So without putting it on a phone, it's a little bit hard. But not only that, you want to have the exact instructions, like how people are actually going to be able to use it. So as you can see, they have to purchase, then they get a link to download a PDF. Once they click on that, it actually moves them over to Canva. With that in mind, now I'm gonna actually upload some of these images. Again, this is a merchandising page. This page is there wherever you're gonna be selling. If you're gonna be selling it on your socials, on Etsy, on Gumroad, on your own website, wherever, you're gonna want to have these merchandisable pages. As you can see, after you fill in these frames, this definitely comes into life and it looks absolutely great. With that in mind, we're almost there, but there is a couple more important points. And finally, step number 5, create a downloadable PDF with the template link. This step is absolutely crucial. The thing is, if you link people to your original Canva design, anybody will be able to modify it and your design is ruined. So instead, you need to create a template link and then sell that template link. And that's super important. Do not make this mistake. So what you essentially want to do is you want to go to your original files where you created the original design and then create the template link as I just shown on the screen. So once you have the template link, all you gotta do is literally copy it and then go back to the other page that we were designing and then paste it into this link. Link it to this button. So when somebody actually buys these files, we're gonna send them this PDF with that link. All they have to do is click on that link and it will open up the template on Canva. Now let's test it and see if the link works. So open it and then it works. With that in mind, if you found this video interesting, go to my channel and check out more Canva making money ideas. By the way, if you're looking for some new ways to make money online, check out this platform. It's called Opinion Edge. As you can see, there's $4.85 earned in this account. Let me explain to you how this works. So there's these points, there's 10 surveys completed, the points available right now. As you have probably guessed from this is a survey website. So for taking surveys, they actually pay out money. So this is actually a large company. This is the company that owns this website. It's called Unimark Research. So they've been around for 15 years. As you can see, so many surveys, 250,000 surveys. This is absolutely incredible, right? So what they do is basically they're a research company. So they basically match companies and people taking surveys. First of all, there are these profile questions. So when you actually open these questions and answer them, more surveys will become available. So on this account right now, I don't have any surveys, but if I actually go to some of these questions and start answering them, so for example, what are your hobbies and interests? So let's say I'm checking out this, I'm also checking out, let's say technology as well. So yeah, something like that. So let's click next. So as you can see, this changed from 1 to 14. So as you keep answering questions, they then match it to more surveys. Now, why there are no surveys? Because a lot of surveys have been completed on this account. As you can see, the last one was completed a couple of days ago. 177 points have been earned. Those points can be converted to gift cards and cash and stuff like that. So I'll show you that later. Now, with that in mind, so what happens actually when you start getting these points? So if you go first of all to the leaderboard, you can see the people that are currently having the highest rank. So they're completing the most amount of surveys. Okay, and here daily winner list. That's amazing. Now with that in mind, if I now go to the My Points section, as you can see, 1,985 points, 10 surveys, and balance points right now is 400 $4.85. So with that in mind, also on this account, as you can see, some people have signed up, so there's referral points as well. So there's another way to earn money, and that is through referring other people. And for these surveys, this is what was earned. What do you actually do with these points? Well, of course, you want to actually redeem them for something. So if you click on redeem points, okay, here redeemed points is 1,500, which is $15, and current balance is $4.85. So minimum of 1,000 points is required, so you're able to withdraw. Okay. Now, with that in mind, how do you actually withdraw these points? So as you can see, there's these options as well. Sometimes PayPal works, sometimes it's not. So maybe they're updating something right now. There is also a lot of different gift cards as well. So as you can see, like Amazon, they have ASOS, they have like a lot of different gift cards that you can actually get as well. That's another option as well. Once you complete the surveys, like I said, you can cash out using these options, right? And also potentially gift cards. PayPal should be coming soon because it was working before. I've seen that. Refer, how does it work? Well, effectively, you get your own link. Once you sign up to the platform, you have your own link, you copy the link, right? And of course, you're gonna earn points from people signing up. These points might change, so this might go up or down depending on the platform and stuff like that. So at the moment, as you can see, you can earn 50 points for somebody signing up. You can also add someone's name and email and send them a referral. So all they have to do is they have to act on your referral link, of course, sign up, and as they start doing something on the platform, you will get rewarded as well. When you get something coming up here, you take the survey and you can make some money, but it's not something like a full-time job where you can just keep completing these surveys every single day, and it's just it's like a full-time job. So it's more like a side hustle type of thing on here. So with that in mind, if you're interested in joining this platform, trying it out and seeing if you could make some money this way, I'm gonna drop a link in my description. And with that being said, thanks Opinion Edge for sponsoring this part of the video.